Hello friends, my name is Sisha. Welcome back to my channel. In my channel, I review latest and upcoming cars. So today we are here in the Toyota showroom, as you can see, to review one of the famous MUV vehicle, which is the Toyota Innova Crista. Let's go review it. So this is the facelift version. Let's start with the front. It comes with automatic LED projectile headlamp with LED clearance lamp. So it comes with this breathable grille. It comes with a massive Toyota logo. It comes with two fog lamps. It comes with front parking sensors. So now let's start with the wheel. So this is a R16 diamond cut alloy wheel. The front comes with a disc brake, but the real one comes with a drum brake. So now let's start with the engine. So it comes with the insulation pad. So this is a 2393cc engine. The max power of this car is 3400 rpm and the max torque of this car is 2800 rpm. And this is the electric adjustable outside mirrors with indicators. And it gets massive windows for the passengers. It comes with chrome handles with UK sensor. So now let's start with the rear of this car. So it comes with a boomerang. It comes with boomerang tail lamps with halogen indicator and fog lamps. It comes with a massive Toyota logo. It comes with parking sensors. It comes with a rear view camera. It comes with a rear wiper. It comes with high mounted stop lamp. It comes with shark fin antenna. So now let's open the boot. So when the third row is up, you get 300 liters of boot space. And when the third row is folded, you get 900 liters of boot space. And if you want more boot space, you can even fold the second row, which will give you massive 1800 liters of boot space. So now let's close the boot. So now let's start with the first row. So it comes. These are the control panels to operate the front and the rear windows, and this is the button to operate the side view mirrors, and this is the unlock and lock system of the vehicle. So it comes with massive water holders with speakers. So it comes with this point holder. It comes with the AC vent. It comes with engine start stop button. It comes with a beautiful infotainment cluster. It comes with steering mode. It comes with steering mode mounted audio and cruise control. So it comes with the auto. It comes with auto climate control. And this is the 8.0 centimeter touchscreen. So this is the manual gear. There's the bottle holder. So it comes with a central armrest to keep all your stuff. It comes with a glove box. It comes with a nice wooden finish. And it also comes with nice ambient lighting. It comes with a sunglass holder. It comes with day and night mirror. It comes with a day and night mirror. It comes with a handle. And it also comes with a and it also comes with a middle with a light. And this is the electric adjustable seat, driver seat. So now let's start with the second row. So it comes with this cone handle. So it comes with power windows with bottle holders and speakers. It comes with a table. It comes with a magazine holder. It comes with a 12-volt charging socket. It comes with a USB port. This is a cup holder in the second row. So these are two captain seats. If you don't want captain seats, you can even get 3 seats arrangement. And it also comes with armrest. So now let's review the third row. So the easiest way to go to the third row is from the middle. So in the third row you get bottle holders. You get adjustable headrest with handles. It also comes with a seat belt on top. So the legroom in the third row is not very comfortable, but it can be enough for kids. So to me, people going for long drives and sitting in the second row will be very comfortable because of the legroom and the headroom. So hope you guys like my review of the Toyota Innova Crista. So to me, this is a perfect vehicle for your big family for long drives. Until my next vlog, like, share and subscribe. Bye.